Hey guys, this is Marcus with Green Solution Commercial Cleaning. I see this car right here probably once a month. So guys who's trying to build a detail business, when you find clients that like your work, they keep coming back, which we call that residual income. This client right here dropped this car off to me at my house, so that's a good thing. I didn't have to leave it with the van. But I just want to show y'all guys, when you know your craft, these are the results. Green Solution Commercial Cleaning, 678-310-9893. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, or you go to my website, greensolutioncc.com. Thanks. Share this video.